concerned, there are a few processes left. So those processes we will try to do today, whatever we have. If we have been left with some of the things, we may be doing maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Maybe we will keep some short classes, 1 hour or something like that for next 2 to 3 days, and we will complete the whatever the remaining processes are left. Right. So just let me share the. Give me a minute. This is in practical file. Yes. Practical file. So Prashant, I have shared your one file. In that file, in the bottom, I have just created two things. So you just open this one. You open this file in your desktop. So I'll tell you. These are new and see there are three material initially I have chosen, right? And I have written the um, uh, that is the purchase info record. So there are three purchase info record I have created: 36, 37, and 67. And in that is a vendor combination is 7079 only. And in the 700633 there is a material issue, but 11808 and 11815 these materials are perfect. So with this material, with both the material, I have created one PO, that is single PR, that is both the materials are available. With that we have created one PO, and from that we have done one GR. Myro we have not yet done. So Myro I will do, maybe I'll do this Myro and I'll tell you that Myro has been done. So what you can do is first you just create a PR with any of these material 11808 or 11815. Any of this material you create with the 7079 is your vendor, and PI or purchase info record already you are finding. So you don't take the material number 2, take material number 1 or material number 3.
Okay.
Now you can share your screen and you can start doing. Okay, another thing I just you just start doing, I just I'll tell you. See, for example, when we talk about the purchase info record, remember one thing. If let's take an example that already I told. If one material purchase info record we have maintained with one vendor, and if it is maintained with the other vendor, so what happened when we are entering the data in the purchase requisition field, that time it will not pick up all the data in the system. So we have to fill manually all the data in the PR. Reason behind is the same info if it is shared with the all the vendors. So what we need to do is we need to create one. So if particular vendor is there, so it has to be multiple vendor with multiple materials. So like for example, if one single material, one to many from the material side, it will not be happening that all the data are coming in the purchase requisition. So that you need to take care.
Is my
First,
screen clear?
yes. So first you create a PR. No, source determination you don't need it. We are not using source determination as of now. We are doing the simple source determination. We'll do what is the source determination basically. Please wait a minute. Source determination means if already there are certain materials has been there in the system and certain vendors are already there, and we are determining source of all those out of the thing. That time we should click check source determination check mark, and this source determination we have to put a check mark on the purchasing tab of the material master. Remember, this may ask in the interview. So where we maintain source determination in material master, we have to tell in the purchasing tab, we maintain source determination in material master.
Okay. And when if we are using the PIR, then
If we are using PIR, then we need not. There is no compulsion to use source determination.
because
So
earlier you said that we need to check it.
earlier we told earlier I told that if you are maintaining the source determination, but if you are not maintaining, then we can do. So here what you can do is you can write the PIR
PIR
number
directly.
and you can write the other informations like plant, material, all those information you write.
This third one is working, right?
Third one is working and first one is working. Just a minute. Yes, Subankar. Okay. Why? What is the issue of not a which error? Okay. So I think Prashant, just a minute. So I think শুভঙ্কর তুমি ইয়ে করো ওই তোমার মেশিনটা একবার রিস্টার্ট করো, রিস্টার্ট করে যে আমি লিংক পাঠিয়েছি সেখানে প্রথম থেকে জয়েন করো, ঠিক আছে? No, not another link. Whatever link I have already shared in your email ID, same link এ তুমি জয়েন করো, তোমার মেশিনটা মনে রিস্টার্ট করতে হবে, একবার রিস্টার্ট করে আবার জয়েন করো। So there was some issue with no problem. You keep on doing, continue. Write the material number, write quantity, everything you fill up before entering anything. Write delivery date, plant, and then check it. Storage location also you write.
Okay.
Material group you can leave it, plant you can write. Location is PR. Purchasing group has come. So location is a PR25, right?
Yes.
Then you use check button.
Message check.
Okay. So just a minute. Wait for a minute. Okay, you can continue because Subankar is having some issue. So you just save this document. So purchase equation number created. Copy this number.
Now, purchase order.
Now you can go to ME21N.
Seven zero seven nine, right?
Yes, yes. Now first the master data, organization data, purchase organization, purchase group, company group, you can see in your screen. First you change this one. Yes, first you change this one, org data. Otherwise system will not allow you to move further.
Okay.
Purchase group is 251, I think. Company code PR24.
Yes.
PR24. Okay. Then write material, PO quantity, delivery, all these you can start writing here. PO quantity. Price you can leave it. Then write plant storage location, and then lastly you can write PR number and then check. Just a minute. Yes, শুভঙ্কর, তোমার নেটটা কি নেট গেছে নাকি? নেট চলছে তাহলে কেন কানেক্ট করতে পারছো না বুঝতে পারছি না। দাঁড়াও, তোমাকে আমি আবার লিংক পাঠাচ্ছি, তুমি জয়েন করো, দেখো। Okay, Subankar, close this pop-up. To partners tab in the top, partners tab. Go to header, click that header part. There is a partner.
Yes.
So write your partner function, whatever it is showing, write those partner. Cursor, write the vendor number. Okay, then again click the check button. Okay, these are all warning messages. So close the pop-up. That is also just a minute. So there is one message is coming in the.
Yes.
Please check your input one procure internally, but I don't feel. Okay, anyway, save it. Save. So your PO has been created. Write that PO number and give me a minute. Actually, Shubhankar is waiting. I have to send him some link.
No problem.
I have sent the link. Please check and join in your mail. Hmm. Okay, so Subankar, what Prashant has done is he has created one PR and then he has created one PO from that PR, and then from that PO we'll do the GR process. Okay, so Prashant, you go to MyGo, transaction code MyGo, MIGO. Wait here, wait here, wait here, wait here. Wait, don't do anything now. In another screen, open MMDE. MMBE. Already we have opened this transaction code previously. Yes. Okay. So here, write your material number, plant and storage location, whichever we have created for the PO 11815. Yes. Plant and storage location. Right. Go to the clock button. Okay. Now here, please wait here. See, you can see your company code first, PR25, then your plant, and then your storage location in the left side. There are two data you are seeing. One in the left side, one is the unrestricted use, and another is on order stock. So on order stock, you can see first it is showing at company level is 240, 240, 240, and in the plant level it is showing, sorry, in the your storage location level, you can see it is 120 stock, right? And in the unrestricted use, you can use 1380 stock. So 1380, and after decimal, there are three zeros are showing. So 1380 is the current stock you have. That you can use. Unrestricted use means that you can transfer to any other plant, or you can sell to any customer or something like that. On order stock means what? You have ordered but it has not yet come. So if you see here, you have ordered, if you remember, you have ordered 10 cartoon, right? So one cartoon is 12 piece. So 10 cartoon means 10 into 12 is 120 piece is in order stock. Is it correct here or it is wrong?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now this screen, it will let it be there. Go to the Migo screen. So Migo screen, we have to get good receipt and purchase order, right? Write the purchase order number there. There, and then enter. Enter.
Yes, entered.
Okay. So here the purchase order number. So click, scroll down. Yes. So here in the bottom, all the fields you can see here. You can see material, you can see quantity, you can see where, purchase order data, partner, everything you can see here.
Yes, yes.
Right, everything you can see here in these all the details informations. Right now, this is your. Now you click the check button. Check button. So it is showing document is okay. Now you can post it.
8692 posted.
So material document 8692 posted. You just make a note of this first. So this is GR has been posted. Okay. So we have posted the close this pop-up. Okay, now go to the other MMB screen. Other screen already open. Go to that screen. Now refresh it. There is a refresh button. Yes.
1580, 120. Yes, 1500.
See, now it is showing 1500 because earlier it was 1380 and 120 we have added. Now it is showing 1500.
Yes, yes.
Right? So it is showing 120 because previous some of the purchase order we have not yet do the GR process. That is the reason it is showing on order stock. Order stock when it is showing when we have sent the PO, but we have not yet done the GR process.
Okay.
Right? So when we have created PO, we have sent the PO to the vendor, but the timeline, say for example, timeline is 1 month or 45 days or 2 months. After that, the material will come. So till the time it will show on the on order stock because it is showing on order. Unrestricted use means what? Unrestricted use means this stock is fully for use. You can do anything. You can sell it. You can give it to anyone or whatever you can. All other columns are particular respective process purpose. So unrestricted use means you can use it for selling purpose or plant to plant transfer or anything. Okay. Now what we have done is 2510 is 11815. That is the material. So now you go to the GR screen. That other screen you have already opened. Open that screen, GR screen.
Yes, yes, open.
No, not GR. Yes, okay, fine. Now here, see what I'll tell you now. One thing, what we'll do is we will do some plan to plan transfer. So you have created only one plan, Prashant, if you remember 2510, right?
Yes.
So earlier also I told that you should create two plans. No, so no worry, I have created another plan for you, 2511. 2511 plan has been created. And there is a storage locations also has been created. That storage location is KOLK. So this has been already created. So you can write it down. Another plant is 2511. Another storage location is KOLK. That has been created already in your system.
2511.
2511 is your another plant I have created, and KOLK is your storage location.
KOLK.
Yes. KOLK is your storage location.
This storage location is a finished good or raw material?
No, this is for finished goods, you can say. Okay.
Okay.
Now, remember one thing that is very important. See, whenever you are using some new plant or something like that, remember whatever the material is already there, this material has to be extended or material has to be available in that particular plant. That means what? Let's take an example. Till the time whatever we are dealing with, all the materials are available in 2510 plant. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's take an example. In the last PO, whatever created, we have used one material 11815. Now 11815 material that is currently available in 2510, but if this material is available in 2511 plant, then only we can transfer this material from 2510 to 2511 plant. So available means what? It is not available means physical available. It should be extended to that plant. That means this material is capable of taking this plant is capable of taking this material. That is called material extension. So extended of material. So extended of material, how we are doing? We are doing by creating MM01. So you just click here, you write MM01 in this transaction code. Okay, right? No, there you do not write anything. Write the material number in the material box 11815. Click select views. Select views. Okay. So write your plant only. General plant data storage 1, storage 2. That's all.
Material type is not yours, right? It should be changed. Material type?
No. Material type it is already created. We cannot change now.
No,
See, remember.
It is showing Tejal finished material.
No. It is showing it is okay, but we can change it. That is okay, but because the material 11815 is already created, we are extending only. Okay, so Prashant, what you can do is you can close this pop-up. First, you change the material type, and industry sector is okay. Material type, you try to change it. Actually, you could have chosen PR finished goods like that, or Prashant finished goods, so that yes, it is perfect. Okay, now click select views. Go to select views.
It is automatically coming. Tejal finish.
That will come. No call. Click select views. Go to general plan data storage 1, storage 2. Continue. Write your plant and storage logo 2511. Yes.
2511?
Yes, because we are going to extend this material at 2511 plant and storage location is KOLK.
KOLK.
Okay, continue.
The material already exists and will be extended.
So what is this message means? What this material already exists means what? This is already created. We are not creating material, but the message is giving that material already exists and will be extended. So remember one thing in your consulting career, whenever you are facing that you need to some material you need to extend. So extension of material means what? Extension of material means the material is already created in the SAP system, but you have to extend this material to the particular plant so that whatever the transactions we can do, that we can do there.
Okay.
So that is called the extension of this material. Now this material, if you see here, you can see the material is there and it is available in the plant 2511 and the location KOL.
Yes.
Right? You scroll down. You scroll down. Then go to plant data storage 2. Okay, so nothing to, you can now save it.
The one we don't have created.
Okay. So now this material has been created. So now go to your MMBE screen, that inventory screen. Yes. Go back. Change the material, sorry, not material number, plant and storage location.
KOL. Execute.
Hmm. Why your plant is not showing? Just a minute. Open another screen and go to transaction code OX18. Go to position button and write your company code. It is there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now go to that go to MM02 in other screen. There is a screen already open for material. There, go to MM02. Go to MM02. Go to select views. Okay, go to accounting 1 and accounting 2. Write your plant. Yes. Okay. So close this pop-up. Close this pop-up. So material ledger active already we have done. This is not our process. This is the FICO process basically. So
Yes.
this is already we have done for our 2510 plan. So again we have to do for 2511 plan. So remember one thing, whenever you are so this system 2511 is already with there. So whenever there is a plant, there are 1 or 2, 3, 4 plant, all plant has to be created simultaneously at the starting of your implementation process, so that in future if anything is there you need not to create. So now what you need to do is you have to do this process of material ledger activations. So just a minute. I think I have already shared material ledger activation in your notepad, means in your template. So you need to check where it is there. Material ledger activation. Okay, so activation of material ledger you can do. Define material ledger OMX2. OMX2 already defined, so you have to go to OMX2. No, that you leave it. Just go to OMX2.
OMX2.
Okay, so here. Okay, so do one thing. Go back. Just a minute. Let me check first. Go to OMX3. So here you go to position button. (2510) first check it. 2510. PR24 PRML. That is your material ledger. Okay. Now go to OMX2. Go back, or here you can go to OMX2. Okay, so here go to position button. PRML. Continue. Okay. Go to individual. Select that line and left side second line double click. Fine. So it is not required. Fine. Go back. Now go to OMX3. Okay, make new entry. Okay, valuation area is 2511 is your plant. Okay, company code, it will automatically come. See, this is a gray area. So whenever, see, you remember Prashant one thing, whenever you are writing anything, you have to write in the white area because gray area automatically will come. Right, material ledger is PRML. Then save it. Okay, done. Now go back. Go back. Okay, so now next step is your OMX1 /n OMX1. Okay, so go to position button and search your valuation area. Valuation area is your plant. Continue. Okay, so put a check mark there. There is a white box. Please put a check mark. Yes. And in price determination, you can write 2 and save it. And save it. Continue.
Yes, save.
Done. Right. Now next step is go to CKM start.
CKM.
Just a minute. I have given the transaction code in the chat box. Okay. So first click the background processing, unclick it. Background processing. See, there are 2 boxes. First that test run. So first what is we are doing generally test run. So click the clock.
Test and leave it, right?
Test and leave it. We are doing test run only. Okay. So here you can see that is okay. Here you can see all are in green color. So if you see, wait here. Here if you see, red is 0, yellow triangle is 0, and green is 20. That means everything is perfect. So there is nothing is problem in the test run. You can see red is 0, yellow is 0, and green is 20, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now go back. Again go back. Okay. Now you remove the test run also. And again click the clock.
26 green.
So you can see 26. So unlock materials in plant. So it is staying. Talking that material is the production ledger is active, and this process is basically from the FIFO side, but at least you must know. So that is what unlock materials in plant. That's all. Right. Now, fine. Now you go to MMBE, that where we are there, MMBE screen.
Yes.
Okay, go back and refresh it. See, no, go back. Now you click the clock. Okay. Now do one thing. Go to this material in MM02118115. Select views. It is there already. Change material may have this thing. Yes.
Yes.
Go to accounting 1 and accounting 2. Right plant. Continue.
But it is not fully maintained for this transaction.
Double click here. Just a minute. Okay. Close this pop-up. Go to MM01. Write your material number 11815. Select views. Now all the views, basic data 1, basic data 2. Select all the views, basic data 1, basic data 2. No, all the views, starting from all the views, because we have to extend. So all the views, whatever views we are maintaining for material master, for that we have to need to maintain. Yes, scroll up, basic data 1, basic data 2. Purchasing also. Purchasing is not there. Scroll down. Scroll down.
No, it is not sure.
Continue. Continue. Write your plant and storage location. Continue. Okay, write valuation class. Finish board, so 7920. Scroll down. Write the price. What is the price of this material? 11815. You can open and check. No, 10.
Okay.
Here 11 we are going to maintain ना 110 में आपको देखना पड़ेगा 111 में आप कैसे देखोगे? Right, so scroll down.
90 rupees.
So there also you maintain 90 rupees. Go to accounting too. Okay, now save it. Okay, now go to the other screen.
MMB.
इसमें नहीं MMB नहीं दूसरा में go any of the screen. This is not we are using. So here go to OMS2. Okay, so here select that 0807 material type. You can see Tejal finish material. You select that line.
1 minute. Let me make the chart. Yes, which one?
Select 0807. Already second line.
Yes.
You can see Tejal finished material. Select that line. And go to the detail button. Detail button. No, not that. Yes, magnifying glass. Yes. So here, click that purchasing. See, purchasing tab is not highlighted. Highlight the purchasing tab. Yes. Okay. Now save it. Save it first. Okay. Now go back here. Okay. Now click the second line, quantity and value updations. Left side, second line. Yes. Go to position button and search your plan 2511.
Both are checked. Material.
Okay. Now 5. No problem. 2511 material 0880. Okay. So we have. Now you go to MM01. Yes, write the material 11815 and select views.
All views.
No, not all. All everything maintained. Go to purchasing view. See, purchasing is coming. Check. Okay. Do one thing. Please check purchasing is coming or not.
No.
Okay. So do one thing. Close this pop-up and log out from the system. Okay, now I can log in the system.
Yes.
MM01. Same process 11815. Select views. Purchasing tab. No, purchasing tab is not coming up because the material has already not been originally created with this. Okay, go to MMBE. Write plant and storage location.
New one or previous one?
No, 2511, new one. KOLK.
Execute.
Execute. Go back. Do one thing, this 118152511, create a PO with this.
Oh, what will the purchase order?
Purchase organization is same. Acha, so we have not maintained PIR for this, right?
Yes.
Okay. So do one thing. Another screen, create a PIR for this. $7079.
I think that KOLK storage location, you have created two with the same name.
But another KOLK I think Subankar has created.
Okay.
But actually I don't know system is taking which one. That may be an issue. That
Yes.
also may be
That's what I was.
because
Yes.
so actually which because both are KOLK na? So which
Yes, both
KOLK
are
system is
KOLK.
taking, so that is what may be error. Anyway, they have created this right purchase organization and create this info record. Okay, it is already created. Fine, it is already created. So the same info record number you can write, no problem. 67, huh? Copy this number. Now go to the PO. No, it is already created. It is already created. I have already created
67.
67. It's already created.
Yes, yes, it's okay. Go back.
Go back.
Return.
Yes, yes. Okay, right. They fill up it because this is wait. So you fill up the standard quantity and all those. Because see, actually, I am maintained in the 2510, not on 2500, right? So
No.
you finish.
Mm, okay. Save it.
No, scroll down, check all the fields, all the tabs.
Mm,
Price is not taking. We have to go to conditions and then have to Incoterms you can write. Incoterms you can write. Incoterm location 1.
7079 location.
It is Mumbai, I think. 7079.
7079 Gurugram.
Okay. Then click the condition tab. Yes. Write the amount. It is 1080 per carton. Is it right? Right?
Uh,
Uh,
80.
912 ja 108, right?
90 rupees was the price.
90 rupees for each. So you have one cartoon means 12 piece.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now save this. That is okay.
Both the plants.
Now you go to PO and write that PO, info record number. Okay. No, you see, don't, first you have to fill up all these field in the header side as well as the item side, then only you have to check.
Okay.
So scroll, yes, the item you go scroll left, everything have you filled up? No, not that one, the inside is, yes. Have you filled up everything?
First and second. PO contracting.
Okay. Now use check button. Okay, partner schema, maintain partner schema. Go to partners. And save it. Okay. So 5203 PO also created. Okay, now we go to Migo screen. Okay, write that PO number. Enter. Okay, scroll down and check. So here you check the quantity, where everything you check. All the tabs, yes. Fine. Purchase order data. Okay. Now check it.
Document is okay.
Now save it. Post it.
Yes. No, there is no notice.
Currency euro. 792,000 currency euro. Okay, close this pop-up. Okay. So go to other screen. Okay, go to /n fs00. See, this is what I'm doing is the Pico site, so nothing to know about us.
Okay.
Okay, so here go to edit. There is a top edit button is there. Edit tab in the top. Top means top. See, whatever top you can see, that is top of your screen.
Yes, edit.
So edit, click there. No, go to check, go to. Okay, no problem. Oh, switch company. Okay, wait. Just scroll down. No, not there. There are a few button, a few symbols are there. You just check that is there is a symbol is there. No, not there. Yes. So just slowly you move right. I will tell which button. Change. Next. No. See, आप एक साथ चार पांच एक करके button, each and every button from left onwards you check slowly so that I can tell you the stop is here and
Okay.
here. Okay,
Okay.
next. No, you start from left or right. Why you are
Left.
doing in between? So then
Left.
Next. Yes. Next. Next. Yes, click there. Write PR24. PR24. Continue. Okay. Now click edit. There is a pencil button. Click that pencil button.
Change.
Okay, fine. Close this pop-up. There is a spec. Click that spec button. Spec. Okay, close this pop-up. General GL. Click the General GL arrow. General GL.
General GL accounts.
Okay, now go to that spec.
The console GL.
Close this pop-up. Go to that binocular. First button, binocular. Write 79200. 7920000. What is that GL number?
Yes.
Triple zero, right? Okay. Select this line and go to a pencil. Select this line and go to pencil. Click that pencil button. Okay. Now go to control data. Right side you can see control data tab. Control data.
Yes.
Okay. Change euro to account currency euro to INR. Make it INR.
Yes.
Okay. And save it. Okay. Now you go to that posting screen. Migo. Now go to the Migo screen. Yes. Now check it. Now, which screen is not required? You just document is okay.
Yes.
Now post it. Post it. Why you are switching off screens?
No, I was closing the screen.
Okay, 8693 is posted. Okay, write this number. Now go to MMP screen. So this material we have posted in 2511 plant. 2511 plant. So Subhankar, see, whatever the processes you are seeing, you are checking, you are not asking any questions. So please make sure that if you are understanding the processes completely, what we are doing basically. So I have done nothing. I have created, wait here. So go to MMP first. I think it is already opened. MMP. No, stock overview.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. So now you go there. Click the clock. Click the clock.
Yeah, now it is shown.
Yes. So now you can see everything is Kolkata finished goods. So you can see 120 is the unrestricted use. Right?
Yeah.
So what we have done is, Subhankar, also for you, what we have done is, see, Prashant as earlier, I'll go back to the understanding of your concept. Prashant has created initially one plant is 2510 and one or two storage locations, right? In that plant and storage location, Prashant has created purchase requisition, purchase order, created GR posting, everything he has done. But for some other scenarios, I have created another plan, which actually you should create at the start of your project. So generally, plant creation is a master data object. So generally, whenever you are working in a project, plant has to be created at the starting of your project. So like here, already we are end of the project, so we should not create plant. But here it is a training I have created. As I am also, means Prashant has not created, I thought it will work, but anyway, so we have created plant. So in that plant, what first step we have done is we have extended the material to that plant. If you don't extend the material to that plant, it will not work. Then we have checked the material attribute and we have checked whether the material can valuation and stock inventory can be posted in that particular valuation area. Is not that we checked, and then we have created one PO and then we have posted here. So now it is successfully showing this is process. Now what we will do is, just a minute, give me a minute. So I have already shared one material. So Prashant, you can stop sharing your screen.
Log off.
You can log off for time being. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is stock transport order. Stock transport order, I think I have this material I have shared with you. So you please check, stock transport order material is already shared with you, maybe in the classes or maybe in the mail. So if you have not received, please
Yes,
tell me.
sir.
Huh?
Yeah, yes, we have.
Process.
Okay. So now the STO process is basically stock transport order. Now this process we little understand about because generally some of the questions will come in the interview from here also, and this process basically what is the STO process, stock transport order. So every company will having many plants and even they have some kind of materials for few kind of production activities. Every time procuring from vendor is time consuming and even money because one of the other plant is having those stocks without usage. So to save money for the company, we use STO process. So first of all, this is the concept why you know STO, stock transport order. So what it is saying, let's take an example in the Prashant case. So Prashant is having two plants. One is 2510, another is 2511. Now, one customer from 2511 has ordered some material, right? As somebody has created one sales order on the 2511 plant. But the example 11815 plant, sorry, 11815 material, which just now we are using for our process purpose, that material don't have any stock in. Although we have stock, but I'm assuming that 11815 material is not available in plant number 2511, but it is available in 2510. So in that case, if there is any material is not available and customer is raising one sales order, then what we should do? We have to procure from the item from the vendor. But we are seeing that this stock is sufficiently available in plant number 2510. So in that case, what we should do is we should transfer some of the material from 2510 to 2511 and we will fulfill the requirement of that sales order. Now this process what I told is only one of the processes like from one plant to another. So in the real time scenario, there are production orders and also there are stock transport order multiple. So certain times there are these plant is from one company code to another company. Let's take an example. In the Prashant case, both the plant is coming under company code PR24. It may happen Prashant is having two separate company code and two separate plants. Let's assume that 2510 is under company code PR24 and 2511 is having another company code PR20. Assume, just an example. So in that case, it will be a intercompany transfer, intercompany stock transport order, inter-STO. That means what? From one company code plant to another company code plant. And this will be happening only when, and remember one thing, this process, there will be billing process and all those. So this is related to somehow, like if you see here, there are 5 kinds of STO. So if you see here, with billing. So with billing means it is related to SD and MM. So a sales and distribution module SD people will also be involved. And delivery also sometimes SD people will be involved or sometimes not. But this one obviously SD people will be involved. So SAP has recommended STO type order UB for internal procurement purpose, and we can have goods movement within company to company and plant to plant. So STO type order is UB. So if you go to Prashant, you have logged off, right? Fine. So just I'll open the system once a minute. Okay, so so it is showing SAP has been recommended STO type order UB for internal procurement purpose, and we can have goods movement with company to company and plant to plant. STO type order is UB. So if you see here, this is all our standard PO it is showing. Now here you can see intra-company, right? Stock transport order. Now see if it is stock transport order, you can see here. This is stock transport order. This is, if you see here, the item category, this is already been. So here we cannot write. So here we can change the stock transport order. That means STO process. So STO PO. So we are creating STO PO and we are transferring. That is one of the processes. So if you UB will be the STO type. So here in our regular process for the stock regular process, we have created standard PO. Like Prashant PO, that is a PO process. Normal standard PO when we are procuring from vendor. But when we are doing from the STO, means the internal transfer, that time we are using stock transport order. Stock transport. Right. Now there are 5 kinds of STO. One is one-step method between two plants, two-step method between two plants, stock transfer between two plants without delivery, stock transfer between two plants with delivery without billing, and stock transfer between two plants with delivery with billing. So last one, number 5, already I told, this is a mixed combinations of MM people and SD people. But the first 4 MM people can directly do. Now in every places you can see here movement type. Right, movement type is very important. Now here it is written MB1B. MB1B transaction code is not available currently. Currently transaction code is MyGo, that already you are using MIGO. So that transaction code, but MB1B is now obsolete transaction code. So it is not currently we are using. So now movement type is 301. Now as already I told, whenever you are going to the MIGO screen, see this is the movement type basically. Now this is very important, and in the interview also they are asking, so whatever the processes you are doing, movement type is automatically come in the system, and if it is not coming you have to change. So this is like, see, for example, till the time whatever we have learned in our training for so last 1.5 months, what we have learned is in every screen where you enter, you first, like for example, if you go to a BP screen, first you have to check the BP role, whatever you have created, whether you are selecting the same role or not. Same way here, you are when you are coming to the MIGO screen, you need to first check whatever the first step is, whatever the good receipt, what the steps we are doing, then whatever we are checking, and then the this one good received movement type, and then we'll go to the other field and every basis. So this is the process. As a consultant you must know, because you should not, in interview generally they will ask the movement type. Now if you go here the movement type, you can see this many movement types are there. Now these movement types are for, I am not saying that you will be master in this, so there are few movement types are there which we require on our day-to-day life. So that is what the movement type automatically, like till the time we have posted PO, you know movement type is 101 GR goods receipt. So this is GR good receipt. This is based on the purchase order we are receiving goods. Already we have created 2 purchase orders and we have already posted items in our GR. So GR already done, and this 101 movement type we have done. So if in the interview it is asked what is the movement type for regular PO GR process. So you can confidently tell it is 101. With that we can. Now here if you see, like using 301 movement type, the what is one step method means plant, supplying plant will transfer the goods to the receiving plant and posting good movement according to the supply. So supplying plant will move posting the movement of the goods. So for example here the movement type is 301. So if I go to 301 movement type, so here this is good, this is called transfer posting, right? See here you can see automatically 301 has come. Transfer plant to plant. I didn't do anything. I have just chosen the right uh, drop down. Automatically 301 movement type has come. Transfer plant to plant. And it has come as other, right? Now here what we are doing, transfer posting from to, now from and destination. From means from where we are transferring. So from, this is material 11815. This is the material. Now plant we are is 2510. Now storage location is PR25. Right? This is now destinations we can write here itself. So destination is 2511. Location is KOLK. Right? Material 11815. Quantity say 5. Two five double one KOLK. Now this I need to change. Okay. So here the left side, what is that? Where we are transferring and destinations where we are transferring. From where we are transferring to which plant we are transferring. Plant and storage location. Movement type is 301. So it is showing document is okay. Now what I'll go to another screen. /n MMBE. So material is 11815. Plant is 2510. Storage location is PR25. Right. So unrestricted use is 1500 pieces. Right. Now I'll open another screen. MMBE. Here I'll do is 2511. It will be AOLK. Now this is 120. So in one plant it is 150, 1500, and another plant is 120. So here from the other plant we will transfer here. Let's see. Account determination for entry INT will not possible. These errors are basically from FICO side. Okay, so there is some error is coming. I'll check it. I need to check this error. So I'll check this error. I'll check it. So maybe tomorrow we'll do this. So that is okay. I'll show all those. So see, one step method is what basically what we have done is here. This is the one step method. Now this will be automatically posted, and we can see now the finance error that I need to check it basically. What is the why this is not coming account determination error? I'll check it and I'll. Okay, so maybe tomorrow we'll do these processes. Now there are the theory part we need to understand. So one step method is very simple. 301 movement type. It is it will be plan transferring just simple like from one plant to another plant. Here you can see from 2510 to 2511 we are transferring. That is one step method. Next is two step method between two plants. Two step method means the supplying plant will transfer the goods to the receiving plant, and now once they transfer, the goods of the receiving plant will get posted in the transit in order stock, and when the receiver sees the stock in plant, then the receiver will post the other movement to move from transit to plant stock. Here movement type is 305. This is two-step method between two plants. So here if you check here in this, right? So here if you see stock transfer plant and this is stock transfer plant. So this will be showing on the transit. This is called transit. So here basically what will happen? The if we check in that pattern how this will happen in the transit process. So let's take an example. 2510 is your plant, and there is another plant is 2511. 2510 is plant and 2511 is your plant. Right now, if transit, so what happened? It will be transit. So there will be a transit. There will be a transit. So what happened? The goods will come first here. Now this guy from 2511, he will what he will do is he will send here. Basically, he will transfer. This guy will transfer, and this guy will receive. This guy will receive. Just a minute. Okay. So this is receive. Now when there is a question of receive, this guy will receive from transit. So earlier directly what we used to do is earlier directly we used to do from 2510 to directly to 2511. But when we are doing two two-step process, then here what when we are transferring it will go to a transit, and from the transit. So remember one thing, this guy don't receive, then it will not be shown in his plant. So if he don't receive, this guy may revert back into same locations again. Generally, as already at the start of our this discussion, we already told what is the reason behind of stock transfer. The reason behind it is simple. We are transferring reason of that if the material is available, so that the cost will be reduced. We instead of procuring the same item from the we have already stocked in some other plant, but still we have to procure from the vendor. So this will reduce our cost. So for that purpose, we are doing stock transfer. Now here in the two-step process, this will be same. From here it will come to transit, and from transit here the movement type will be as already I told 305. right? Now third is stock transfer between two plants without delivery. So this process is called MMSTO. But many of the companies will use the intra or inter process because of more features with respective stock. So here in this case, the respective receiving plant will create a PO with details mentioned as from the which plant and stock required. So here what happened? The STO PO will be created by the receiving plant, and PO will be created with document category UB and item category as U, so that it's a inter STO PO created for internal stock. Once the PO is created, it will go give to the supplying plant, and from the supplying plant, there is a good movement done by the plant person. And using movement type 351, movement good will happen once we create the PO. So this is the what you call stock transfer between two plants without delivery. So there will be no delivery, there will be stock transfer. Just we will create one PO. The receiving plant will create a PO from the source plant where we are procuring the item.
What is the meaning of without delivery?
What? I'm not getting. What you are asking?
Stock transfer between two plants without delivery.
Without delivery. Without delivery means what? Without delivery means delivery is basically what? Delivery is a process we are doing in the SAP. The delivery is a physical process as well as in the virtual process. Now, without delivery means what? The stock are going to transfer from one plant to another plant. Without delivery means without proper physical process. Let's take an example. Let's take an example. In your two plant, like in your case 2510 and 2511, both the plant in your both different locations or maybe same locations. So one customer from 2511 has already ordered some item, as already I told, sales order created and some item has been ordered. But you don't have the item as of now stock in your plant. So there are two options. Either you have to procure from the vendor, or you internally you have to transfer from another plant. So you are checking that in your 2510 plant that stock is available. So you are internally transfer. So there are internal transfer. There are 2 to 3 processes are there. Like one or two process I have already told you. That is one step method and two step method. Now in the stock transfer between two plants means without delivery means it will be stock transfer. That means what? Your 2511 plant will create a PO and your vendor is who? 2510 plant. So here if you see here you can see supplying plant. You can see जो normally purchase order में क्या लिखा रहता है supplier, right? But here it is written supplying plant.
Yes.
Right, right.
So supplying plant will you have to write the supplying plant as who is supplying 2510 is supplying and 25. So here let's take an example. If this process just a minute. So stock transport order number has been created. Now I'll go to Migo screen. Anyway, I need to check it. I think there is some movement error or something like that. I'm not getting why it is this error is coming. Okay, I'll check it. So this is the three basically STO process 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is with delivery without bidding. So this with here also there will be some SD integrations are there, and the fifth one also we need SD integrations. So as of now, you read 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5 will do later on. The first 1, 2, 3, this is 3 you just understand, and the stock transport I will check in the system what is the error actually that error rectified. So maybe tomorrow we'll do the stock transport, and mirror process also will do logistic invoice verification process. That we can any questions please tell.
Okay.